Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to add workout mode on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. You can add workout modes to your workouts by going to them. You can slide from the left to the right on the main page. Then you'll find more workouts. Here are all the workouts, including the ones that aren't shown in the main page of the workouts. You can, for example, select dance, and let's do Latin dance. You can now add it to workout list. Then it is added. Feel free to later move it by sliding and approve it. Then you can open it and start the workout or adjust its settings. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.